College isn't the golden ticket it used to be. In fact, some of the highest earning professionals today never set foot in a lecture hall. Want to know the truth? Most people are working jobs they hate, drowning in debt from degrees they don't use. But what if the system's been lying to you? There's an entire world of high-paying careers hiding in plain sight. No degree required. Stay with me till the end, because one of these careers might just change everything. In this video, we're unpacking 10 real, legitimate careers where you can earn serious money without a college degree, whether you're just starting out, pivoting in your 30s, or rebuilding your 50s. These paths prove you don't need letters behind your name to build a life of freedom and impact. And career number 6? It's a role almost nobody talks about, but it's a secret weapon for major players. Now let me tell you, I've seen firsthand how people break the mold. Friends making 6 figures as assistants, marketers, and coders, all without degree. I've been that person too. Learning outside the system, building step by step. That's what this channel is about. Thinking outside of the world's norm. Thinking outside the box for people who want to think bigger, live bolder, and be fulfilled. Not before we dig into the career. Let's talk about how we were sold a one-size-fits-all formula. Graduate, go to college, get a job, retire. But real life doesn't work like that anymore. Technology, entrepreneurship, and remote work have changed the rules. What matters now? Skills, relationships, and mindset. Degrees don't guarantee success. Execution does. This list isn't about cutting corners. It's about building careers that are aligned, lucrative, and flexible. Because legacy beats title, and freedom beats prestige. Because back in the day, a degree was rare. It separated you from the crowd. But now it's expected. The market's flooded with diplomas, and jobs are flooded with applicants. Meanwhile, trades, digital skills, and soft skill heavy roles are exploding, and many of them pay better than traditional careers. We're shifting from credentials to capabilities, and the ones who see this early, they win. So let's break this down. 1. Tech support specialist. With basic certifications like CompTIA Plus or Google IT support, you can earn $60,000 to $80,000 plus helping people solve digital issues. Companies constantly need problem solvers who can walk users through software or hardware problems. You can work remotely or on-site, and it's a fantastic entry point into the tech world. Now, if that one caught your eye, wait until you hear this next one. 2. Freelance digital marketer. You don't need a degree to help businesses grow. Learn Facebook ad, Google SEO, or email funnels through free online content or courses. Start by helping a local business or running your own mock campaign. Many marketers earn 6 figures freelancing or starting agencies. It's results, not resumes, that clients care about. Let's keep it moving. This next one might surprise you even more. 3. Real estate agent. You'll need a license, but not a degree. After a few weeks of training and passing the exam, you're good to go. Top agents make 6 to 7 figures, especially in luxury or commercial real estate. It's all about networking, follow-up, and understanding your market. Here's another career that flips the script. 4. Trade worker, electrician, plumber, HVAC. Trade work is recession-proof. Apprenticeships pay you while you learn, and once licensed, you can earn $70,000 to $150,000 plus depending on your specialization. Many eventually start their own business, which means freedom and uncapped income potential. And here's where it really starts to get interesting. 5. Software developer, self-taught, or boot camp. Boot camps and online programs like Free Code Camp or Udemy can replace years in school. Build a portfolio on GitHub. Contribute to open source projects and apply. Companies often hire based on your coding skills and projects, not your degree. Ensure that's not a huge surprise these days like what we spoke about earlier. Now, you might not have seen this one coming, but it's changing lives fast. 6. Executive assistant. This is the sleeper career most people overlook. Great executive assistants earn $80,000 to $150,000 plus supporting CEOs, founders, and influencers. The best part? It's remote. You can do it from home. Set your hours and work closely with high-level leaders. There's a link in the description for anyone looking to break into this career, and a guide on how to build the basic skills to get started. Written by someone who built a 6-figure career from home while raising babies. Yes, it's possible. This next one, it's proof that high income doesn't always require a diploma. 7. Content creator/editor. YouTube editors, podcast producers, and short-form content specialists are in demand. Build a portfolio on Fiverr, Upwork, or your own channel with experience. You can charge $50 to $150 per hour. This path lets you combine creativity with strategy, and the barrier to entry is low if you're consistent. Time have changed for sure. Our grandparents didn't have this opportunity, that's for sure. Now let's talk about a job that's quietly dominating the remote space. 8. Sales consultant, especially tech sales. Entry-level sales roles in software or SaaS often pay a base salary with commissions that can exceed $100,000. All you need is confidence, product knowledge, and a drive to close. This is one of the best ways to earn big without a degree. Still with me? Here's another career where people are quietly stacking six figures. 9. UX designer. User experience design is about understanding psychology, user behavior, and interfaces. You can learn it online, build a sample portfolio, and apply for roles at startups or agency. The job is both analytical and creative, and salaries range from $70,000 to $120,000 plus. And just when you think you've heard them all, this one shows up. 10. Truck driver / logistics professional. Specialize in routes like hazmat or long haul, and you can earn $100,000 plus. Owner-operators, or those who start dispatch services, can scale into logistics businesses. It's not glamorous, but it's dependable, profitable, and needed. Each of these careers requires hustle, not a diploma. Most need certifications, experience, or a portfolio. Start by getting clear on your interests, then build skills and relationships. Community accelerates everything. Now take time to address some myths the works has probably drilled into your head. One being that high-paying equals degree. Reality is high-paying equals demand plus skill. Another myth is freelancing is risky. Reality is that so is relying on one employer. Another myth probably keeping you beat is that it's too late to start. And reality is that the world rewards courage and clarity at any age. Truth is skills, clarity, execution, and solutions. These matter more than degrees. These post more than anything else you'll find out there. So be sure to build with intention, grow with strategy, and remember, your path doesn't have to look traditional to be successful. If this gave you new ideas on possibilities you can take, be sure to comment below with the career that stood out most. Like and subscribe if you're done waiting for permission and ready to build smart. Check the description for the Executive Assistant Career Course and get started today. Until next time, lead your life with intention. And I'll see you in the next video.